Alright, guys.
Oh, it's loose. Oh, good Lord. When you buy storage units, things are going to come up. You just got to do it. That's right. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Now, anybody that saw me buy this pallet jacket machine, they're now thinking, damn, I should have got this. Could have been me tearing this thing.
Alright, guys. I'm getting ready to go to the scrapyard, get some of this stuff sold that we've been getting in storage units. Here we got a big old heavy roll of aluminum. It's like aluminum cable of some kind. And we'll take that down there, we'll get some money for that. And a big old tub of brass been collecting from storage units. And we'll take that down there too. A few bucks. Vending machine. Guys down to Grade Lane and we'll see what we can get for the vending machine and the brass and the aluminum. Okay, guys, let's see if we can have a little bit of fun here at my expense. This old guy is going to put this heavy vending machine in the van and attempt to take it to scrap it. Now, I've been to a scrapyard before, but only with a tub of brass. This is my first time down with a big lug like this. And I've got aluminum, and I've got steel, and I got this piece. Let's see what we can do. This ought to be fun. Oh, this could really suck. Might leave it dangling out the back, because if I don't, I'll never get it out of there. Yes. Well, that's gonna hit it, isn't it? Maybe. Oh, it is. Alright, well, it got it in there. Let's see if that's good enough. I hope I don't do any damage. Oh, it's so close. Oh, it's going to work. It's in there. I haven't taken the door off. Alright. Da 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 da. We could have failed here. Yes, very well. Alright. Oh. Alright. That was so close. Gotta try again. Oh, damn. I think what you're witnessing here is a fail. Or not. This could be a fail. You know what? I'm almost getting it in there. The thing is, I have to lift like 200 pounds. Maybe it's not that much, but because part of it's on there. Alright, I gotta get psyched up. This could really be something special. Ah, hell. What the hell? Alright, guys. I haven't given up yet. Yeah, you better believe I'm leaving that butt end out of there. Alright, guys. I'm going to strap that down, and I'll see you at the scrapyard. Maybe before that. Alright, guys, we're at the recycle center. Alright. Brass, aluminum. We're going in here. Guys, I took the brass. Let's see if we can get that to pick up. Oh, this camera sucks, doesn't it? $68.40 for the brass and the little spool of aluminum. So I'm gonna now take this vending machine in there, see what we can get. I'll catch you up when I. And we've got money. Okay. Don't see any change though. 568. Where's the 40 cents? Alright, guys, we're getting ready to pull up on the scale to weigh this daggone machine back here. I'll be glad to get rid of this damn thing. It's been a saddle on my back, man. Alright, here we go. Pulling on up. Let's see if I can figure this out. Let's see if I can figure it out, guys. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Yes, sir. Got a vending machine that's stripped down back there. Step back up, good. All right. Be right back. All righty. Thinking, where do I drop this thing off? Okay. All the way back. Where to unload at. Okay, thank you. Alright, well, so far so good, guys. There's less in there. Let's see. Newbie. How you doing, sir? I got a vending machine I'm dropping off back here. Where do I take it to?
I'm gonna have you see where the black refrigerator is?
Yes I do.
If you can, on the right side of that.
On the right side of that?
Yeah, just back up.
Thank you very much, sir. Alright, guys, we got $16 for that vending machine. 16, so I got $84 to come down here. That's not too bad. 84 bucks for a 10-mile trip. And I get rid of all that bull crap in my backyard. Not bad. So, anyway, just wanted to share that little moment with you because it's all part of it. I'm going to go in here and scan this. There. Please take your money. I don't mind if I do. Let's see if it spits me out some more money. More money, more money, more money. Where you at, Mo? There's Mo. More money. Okay, guys, we're done here. Going on home. That's how you make $84 in scrap real fast. This week there's one live auction coming up at U-Haul. I rarely buy over there. They usually just have crap. It's the one on Bardstown Road. Sometimes you can get a few nice things, but mostly I'm not expecting much. But I am going. And next week is the Public Storage Caravan, and I'm hoping to meet some fellow YouTubers there. And Jay Smooth will probably be there. Hopefully Icy will be there. You gonna be there, Icy? Gandy, come on down. What the hell's come on down? Can't wait to see you guys, man. Anyway, just wanted to go down to the scrapyard today and get rid of that beast that's been in the backyard. And here's Douglas. What do you think, Douglas? Yay, Doug. Get on the fast brake, Doug. Oh, ain't it anything right now. Anyway, so I should have a video up next week on the storage find. We're hoping to really get something good next week at the caravan, but it's really tough there. Number one, to find the one you exactly want. I target these things. That's why I like buying online, because I could sit down and study the storage units. I like to study them, so I gotta hone my skills on these live auctions. I don't know. I used to like them more. Now I like the online auctions the best. I just think they're more tactical. I like the tactical aspect of war game in every little aspect of the unit, all the items. But I like to do this. So I just like to study the units. I like to play the game. I like to do the best I can with it, and I like making the videos about it. So anyway, I should have a video up again for sure by the Public Storage Caravan. It's coming up. Maybe this week I might buy one at U-Haul. I don't know. We'll see. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you get the notifications when you do. So I'll see you guys soon.